Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money online doing research from home. Now this is a really fun method of making money online and you can earn up to $100 per day, if not more. If you are an expert in certain categories that some of these websites are looking for and you have the credentials to back it up, you're going to be able to make some really killer money online. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I see that a lot of you are going from video to video to video, watching all these amazing, awesome ways of making money online, but you haven't hit the subscribe button. Hit it. We are trying to grow this channel bigger and bigger each and every video that we upload, and the more subscribers that we have, the better off our channel does. So please make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so I can send you notifications every time that I upload a video. Now, I'm not uploading a crazy amount of videos, so don't worry about me spamming you. I promise I won't. But I don't want you to miss some of these methods of making money online. I want to see you guys succeed. So definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to do that after you get done with this video. Now don't scroll through this video, don't skim through it. I don't want you to miss out on any of these websites. I want you to get yourself signed up for all of them so that way you're maximizing your profit online. If you are ready to quit your job and you want to be able to do what I do and make money online, be able to sit in your pajamas and spend time with your kids each and every day, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. I'm going to put it as the first link in my description below. So go ahead, click it, and take the big step. I know you can do it. I want you to be able to make money online and stay home and enjoy your life. Now guys, getting right into this video, we are going to go to a site called AskWonder.com. I know it's got a W here and it's very confusing, but put AskWonder.com in your search bar and it will bring you here. Now this is one of the most well-known outsourced research sites. Now they're going to have companies on here outsourcing research tasks. You're going to be able to work whenever you want by logging in and just checking a dashboard. Now, it doesn't get any easier than that. So guys, this is one of the most well-known sites. You are going to want to get yourself logged in here so that way you can do research assignments for businesses like Shell, Johnson & Johnson, and HP. What you're going to do is you are going to go right to the top right hand corner and you're going to want to become an analyst. And as you can see, it takes about 5 minutes to complete the application. Sign up is completely free and completely confidential. When you get to this part of it, you're going to want to just take a quick look. They have a bunch of testimonials here. This is a completely legitimate site where you're going to be able to make quite a bit of money. So check that out as well. What the researchers can choose from a wide variety of request types. You can recommend a product or service. You can do competitive landscaping, explain or trend or phenomenon. You're going to gather statistics or determine the size of the market. So how it works is you're going to visit the research dashboard once you get yourself signed in and you fill out your application. Then they'll assign you a request to work on. You're going to be able to do this on your time whenever you want. You just need to make sure that these are done within a timely manner. You're going to be finding answers and sources, and then you're going to need to synthesize your findings. And once you've done that, you can submit your work and celebrate, because guess what? You're getting paid online. So what you're going to do is you're going to complete the online application and let them know what you're interested in joining and what research community fits you best. Then, once you get accepted, you're going to show your research skills via their online quiz and their trial assessment. So you're going to be taking a quick little quiz and show them that you're actually capable of doing this and that you are not dumber than a box of rocks, which you don't think you are. Then you're going to start researching and you're going to explore different requests. You're going to be able to dive into the research and you're going to be able to actually chat with other researchers. So it's really wonderful. I really suggest and recommend AskWonder.com if you want to get paid making money online doing research for other companies. Now the next website that we can go to is I Can Make It Better. And what they really want you to do is they want to know what websites they're using, and they want you to use them and teach them how to make it better. Now, this is a community platform based site, and they really just want to know your opinions. It's really easy, it's really quick. And if you are interested in joining them, you can do different sessions, you can be part of focus groups, or you can complete surveys. They're going to be asking you to do surveys, write reports, posting questions and answers, and just answering the questions that they're really curious about these different companies. You can do recruitment, you can do full service. Now, the companies that are using this are like Whole Foods. I don't know anybody that doesn't know what Whole Foods is, or like Dell. So it's a really well-known, reputable companies that are coming here and asking you for their research. So you're going to be able to be completing research for these big companies. Now definitely get yourself signed up here, because if you are running out of work on Ask Wonder, you're going to want to go to I Can Make It Better and be able to do work there. Just Answer is one of my absolute favorite sites. I love it because you get to become an expert. And if you are an expert in just, taxes, finance, lawyers, mechanics, they have doctors, nurses, vets, electricians, plumbers, electronics, phones. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. Um, it's a really great site. It's very flexible. You're going to be writing your work, and you just need to be an expert in one of these things. So what I want you to do once you come here is scroll all the way to the bottom to get yourself signed up. And you are going to become an expert. So once you've clicked on here, I wanted to take you here so that I could show you all of the categories that they have. See, they have a ton of categories. If you know a lot about boats, cars, computers, heavy equipment, medical, veterinary, wellness, even if you're just good at homework, and you know another language. If you know a couple different languages like French or Spanish, you're going to be able to get a job here and be able to teach people what you know as an expert. You're going to be able to offer your services online. You're going to be able to work from anywhere. Once you've been approved, you can set your own hours, work as little or as much as you want, and all you really need is a computer or internet connection, which makes it really awesome and easy to be able to make money online. Now, you're probably wondering, how much can you make? Well, on every different site, it's going to vary, but with this site, some of the top experts are making thousands of dollars each month helping customers solve their everyday issues. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit apply, and then get yourself all signed up. They're now accepting applications. The one thing that I do want to tell you about this site is that you need to upload a resume. So you might want to dust off your resume and your work history and your education on it and update it and get yourself signed in. They're going to need personal identification information, your passport number, your social security number, things like that. You're going to want to know if you have a license, professional verification. Did you get a diploma? Do you have a certificate? I highly recommend sending in a resume. It says it's optional, but for faster verification, I recommend sending in a resume. So these are all of the different things that you can get yourself signed up for, and all you have to do is hit apply. Just Answer is awesome. You can honestly make up to thousands of dollars each month. Moving on, we can go to 10EQS. Now, 10EQS is for the absolute expert in certain fields. EQS stands for efficiency, quality, and speed. So you're going to have to be good at all of these. They want to have super industry experts with backup. You're going to have, diplomas and things of that nature, especially if you're doing like aerospace, defense, or if you're doing pharmaceuticals and life sciences. So it's for the absolute experts. A lot of the big name companies are like GE, Panasonic, Samsung, American Express, all of the big companies that you hear about all the time. Are the companies that are asking questions. So if you want to get yourself signed up, you do the login. You can check it out. They have a bunch of different blogs, case studies, the industries that the things that they are looking for research on are right over in industries. So check out 10EQS. And now to the last site that I wanted to draw your attention to is clarity.fm. And that's clarity.fm. Now I've already logged in here just to be able to show you some of the different things that they're looking for. So they are going to be looking for advice. This is my wildcard site. Now, you want to become an expert in whatever field that you are looking up to do, whether it's strategic planning, public speaking, which obviously is not my main thing. I'm not very good at it. If you're good at doing startups, like startup businesses, business development, if you're really good at like social media marketing, these are some of the topics that you can become an expert in. Now, once you get yourself signed up, you're going to be able to post yourself on dashboards and be able to promote yourself and receive phone calls, be giving this advice. Now, when people request a call from you, they are going to be pre-charged for an estimated length of the call based on whatever you as the expert put per minute as a rate. They're going to be able to connect you directly. They call on a conference line that's already been provided, and then after the call, the charge will be adjusted to reflect the actual length of the call. So what they're going to do is they're going to pay for like a pre-estimated length of time. Should it be less, it will be adjusted. Should it be more, it'll be adjusted as well. So it's a little bit different, but it's going to be giving advice and doing research for people online. So if you're interested in this, go ahead, scroll to the middle of the page, click Become an Expert, and it'll bring you right over here. And you will get yourself signed up. You're going to edit your profile. You're going to put your basic information in. You're going to show your verifications in the certain topics. And then you go right over here and apply to be an expert. Now, a couple things that you can also become an expert in is Amazon FBA. They got thrift and resale of certain items, motorcycle and club startup, so that you can honestly become an expert in a bunch of different things. Founder of Healthcare Marketplace, anything that you are an expert in, you're going to be able to get a job here on Clarity.fm. The one thing that I found online when I was doing research about this site is that one of the guys on Shark Tank is on here, Mark Cuban, and he actually charges over $160 per minute of advice that he gives. So he also actually uses Clarity.fm to make money online. So if he's using it, it's gotta be good. Now guys, that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that way you get notifications every single time that I upload a video, so you're not missing any of these methods of making money online. If you are ready to take the big leap and want to become an online entrepreneur and be able to sit home and relax and make your money and have your money work for you, check out my number one recommendation for making money. It's going to be the first link in my description below. Thanks for watching, guys.